Hello friends, I am Pooja. Welcome to my channel Infinite Crochet. In my previous video, I showed you different types of crochet hook set that I have. In this video, I want to show you that which crochet hook you should be using for your next project. Now let's start this video where I am showing you that I have created different samples. These samples are of the equal size, that is 20 chains and 10 rows. But still you can see there is a size difference in all of them. So that is because of the different crochet size hook that I have used. So let's start with my first crochet sample. Now this one, as you can see, I have created this sample which consists of 20 chains and 10 rows. This is I have created with 2mm crochet hook. Similarly, the same pattern I have copied in all of my crochet pattern here. So again the same one but with a different crochet hook size, 2.5mm. Let's go to the next one. Here a very pretty orange that reminds me of a lollipop. Now this one is of 3mm crochet hook size. A similar, I have coordinated the color here. Now this one is 3.5mm crochet hook size. A green with a 4mm crochet hook. Now the next one. This one is with a 4.5mm hook. As you can see, I hadn't enough yarn, so I need to change the yarn. Now a very pretty lavender color. This one is with 5mm crochet size. And the next one is a multicolor yarn. Now this crochet sample is with a 5mm hook. And the last one is with 6mm hook. Now as you can see, all these samples here, I want to show you the comparison between a 6mm crochet hook and a 2mm crochet hook. So if you see, while crocheting, I made sure that there are only 20 stitches here, 20 here, 10 rows here, 10 rows here. But still, can you see the difference in the size? This is so small, equivalent to this finger size, where this is this big, this much big. That is a way longer than my finger. Also, if you can see, there are very big holes in between the stitches. Here you can see a very smooth finish. So as per me, if you want to design something like this, if you have to design, as you can see, I have designed a octopus here. If you want to make a design which is very neat and clean, but you do not want any gaps in between, then you should go with a small crochet hook. Whereas if you are looking for gaps and they don't bother in your design, then you should go for a large size crochet hook. So let me show you few of my crochet projects that I made with different crochet sizes. This is the baby sweater that I have created. So here I have put all my projects which I have made from 2mm crochet hook to 3.5mm crochet hook. So if I want to show you this first one, here you can see I have made star design. As this is made of a small crochet hook size, you can see that there is no gap in between the star pattern. Also, this is a very neat design. I want to show you the back panel also. Yes. So this is such a pretty sweater for a I can say a newborn baby. Now the second one here this is for a very pretty girl child. I would say I have made this cardigan again. As you can see, there are also, this is a single crochet and double crochet, multiple times I have done this, and again you can see there are no gaps. Such a very beautiful finishes here. again with the 2 to 3.5 millimeter crochet hook only. And what else you can make with this sizes? I made this amigurumi. Again, you need a very good finish while designing this amigurumi toys. So in that case also a very thin crochet hook will be required. And a coaster in the shape of a frog. You can see all the details here, eyes, white color in the background, and the green, then there is a blue smile. And I designed few of the amigurumi toys which have a separate clothes. As you can see, this is a very pretty frog for my Shaun the sheep. So I change its clothes. When it's summer, I make them wear frog, whereas in winters a complete one. And the last one that I made is this star coaster here. Again 2 to 3.5 millimeter crochet hook only. For larger crochet hook, that is for 4.5 millimeter crochet hook to 6 millimeter, you can design an adult cardigan. So as you can see, I have designed this cardigan for myself with a pretty lavender color. So for such sweaters where the gap is fine, you have to go a long way with a small hook. It will take you months, but with this you can design this sweater with a larger hook. You can design it in few days only. So this is my first sweater. Similarly, I had designed one more sweater for myself. I know winter is not there anymore, but I know it will come again. So this is the second design I have created. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe, share and like. Bye bye.